We're here at SeaWorld San Diego.
Wow, can't wait to see the world.
It's a special day because we're joined by my very good friend, Dallas. She is pumped. High five, Dallas. That's a giant crab.
I wonder what's in this tank. What is that hideous thing?
We're going on the roller coaster. We're gonna. It goes over that. My first roller coaster filming. Very comfortable. Well, that was pretty good. That was good, yeah. I like that a lot.
It was good, fun, quick, not too intense. Well, it was intense, but you know, it doesn't make you sick. Scary.
Electric eel.
Exciting.
Great ride. This guy over here. Good catch. You want it? Watch the bird. No! You got it. They're pretty aggressive, aren't they?
Oh yeah,
You like how
they'll do whatever it
You
takes.
like how they scream? Look at it. I don't even have any more. Keep going. Yeah. Dallas is in a tunnel. It's just like when she was born. You want to go on the Elmo Ride? Very excited for this one. Dallas can hardly contain herself. Who's the creepy guy who's going by himself on the Elmo Ride? Oh, god damn. Are you excited? Yeah, me too. Wow, what a thrilling adventure. Dallas! I'm actually getting a little sick. Wow. What you think?
That was incredible.
Let's see.
I got this stupid Abby girl. That's not what I want. I want Elmo.
She's gonna think about it. Hey, you guys look so good. Nice job. Step, kick.
We are going to the penguins. Look at those penguins, Dallas.
Look at all those chickens.
Look at this one right here staring at us right here. How many penguins do you think are in there?
At least 2.
At least 2?
At least. Here's what Katy decided to order for lunch.
Oh no, is it like a real?
A turkey wing. Here's
Oh
Dallas's
my-
head for comparison.
Oh my god.
Ew.
What the heck?
I thought they were
Like
I
chicken
didn't-
wings?
I didn't think it
I didn't
was
realize
that.
turkeys had this big of a wing.
Let's get a good look at that. I don't think I've ever had a turkey wing in my life.
I thought it was an odd name for a dish. I was like, turkey wing? I've never had one of those. I was a little bit confused by it. It's
A lot of work, huh?
a lot of work, but it's okay.
looks evil, doesn't it? You don't want to mess with that. Holy moly. How many flamingos do you think are in there?
At least 2.
Tell me the ride we're going on.
Some dumb roller coaster. Who knows? Manta.
Manta. We go on to Manta.
Let's go Manta.
Look at the giant Christmas tree.
Huh?
So what'd you think?
That was a good ride.
I thought the other one was better.
I like this one.
A long day. Wow, look at all this Christmas stuff.
Wow, what a day at SeaWorld, wouldn't you say? We really saw everything there was.
We had such a great time.
Yeah, we saw the sharks, we saw the turtles, we went on rides. Oh man.
And Dallas had the time of her life. We'll see you later. Oh, give us a like and subscribe, Ryan, and we'll see you next time.
No, I'm not a YouTuber.
All right, so like and subscribe, of course, and we will see you when? Next time.
Dislike. We're waiting. Oh my God, no!